Hey guys, what's up? It's Laci. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. This video is going to be an easy DIY welcome sign. I'm really excited because now that it's starting to get warmer out, we can take a lot of the projects outside. I also have a couple plans on some outside projects and decorating the porch and things like that in the works. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and let's just get on with the DIY. You want to get a board. The one I'm using is 6 foot tall, but you can pick any kind of size board that you want for this project. Then I'm using Minwax and Espresso 273 to stain my board. I printed these off using PicMonkey and just used an 8x10 template and made the letters as big as I could. I laid them out about 2 inches apart from each other. I printed these off on regular paper and I just laid it down onto the wood. And I took a really sharp pencil and just outlined my letter. Sorry guys that it's all wobbly. My 8-year-old daughter was filming this for me. And when you lift up your paper, you can tell that it basically just carved the wood. I just took my pencil and outlined it again just so I could see it better. And then I took some acrylic paint. I used white, but you guys can use whatever color you want. And I took a small paintbrush and I just outlined the letter, and then I used a bigger paintbrush to fill it in. And this took a couple coats, so it does take some patience, but I made this for $3 and I think that it turned out so good, and it definitely does not look like a $3 DIY. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.